Hey everybody, this is Khushboo. So let's discuss array today. So when we initialize any variable, our computer allocates some memory to it and its location gets stored under the name of its variable. So suppose this is our memory tape. When we initialize an integer int a, it takes 4 bytes from the memory. And as each byte contains 8 bits, so our integer or our variable a gets stored in a 32-bit binary form. So these 4 bytes in the memory are always adjacent. Like I have given them the location 5678, but it is not like that. In real, they are in hexadecimal form. So we can initialize 1 integer, 2 integer or maybe 4 integer. But if we have a list of maybe 100 million integers, then what can we do? We can't initialize all the elements. So to rescue us from this task, we got array. When we initialize array as int a is equal to 3, we are saying that we want our array to be 3 into the size of data type or the variable long. Means if we have the data type int, then we are saying we want an array of 3 into 4 bytes, means 12 bytes. So array is nothing but homogeneous data stored in a contiguous array. So our array is formed. Now if we say to find a1, how can we find it? So to find this, our computer firstly goes to the location that is under the name of a, and then as we are finding a1, it says add 1 into the size of data type, means as it is int 4 bytes, so add 4 bytes to the location of the beginning of the array and give that element. So that's how we got our element at a1, that is b. So that's the reason we have array indexed from 0. As asking for the 0th element in the array literally means asking for the element that is 0 bytes away from the beginning of the array. So that's how we access our array in O1. But are O1 and On clear to you? So let's give it a quick look. For example, we have these files and we have to give it to that guy. So the size of the files are 100 KB. So we don't give it a more thought. Maybe we can WhatsApp him. Or maybe we don't want to give him our number, so maybe we will mail him. But if these files are 100 MB, so we will try to search other options that can be efficient, as our mails also get 25 MB limit. This guy got no chill. So if we go with aeroplane, it will take 2 days, and if we maybe fax him, it will take up to 2 to 4 hours. So we will fax him basically. But now if the files are 100 TB, then what can we do? Then our fax machine will take thousands of years. Obviously we will go with the aeroplane. It will take 2 days only. So we noticed that aeroplanes always took 2 days, whereas our fax machine or maybe mail took time, depends upon the input. So that's why our aeroplane was doing its work in O1, the constant complexity, and our mails and our fax machine was doing the work in On, that is, it depends upon the input. So I hope this is much clear now. Now back to the array. There are many operations that we can do on array. Like updating an array, we have to just go to that index and change its value. Or accessing an array, when we have to find the value at any index. But if we are searching in an array, it will take On. The best case will be finding it in the first go, but the worst case complexity will always be On. Also for deleting, the complexity is On, as the best case may be deleting the last element, and that can be done in O1. But if we have to delete the first element, then we have to update all the further elements and update their location. So we can say that random access to all the elements of an array makes the life so much easier. But what if after declaration of the array we want to increase its size? It can be done but with the help of dynamic array. So we will see it in our next video. Thanks for watching. I hope this adds some value to you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also give your suggestions in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next one.